Lake Eola, the diamond in downtown Orlando's palm tree tiara. Although Wikipedia informs me Lake Eola isn't a lake at all, but a sinkhole. A very pretty sinkhole. Also, Google reviewers complain there are too many homeless people there. Not that I found any. Lake Eola is right downtown, right next to fancy high-rises, someplace called the Metropolitan Dog Spa, the Orlando Public Library, and this gated-off Orthodox church with Jesus keeping watch over the proceedings. Downtown Orlando is pretty cool. The history museum's down there. I found this blue spinny thing. And some unexplained alligator statues. It is Florida, after all. Look at all that art. Beautiful. What is that? Whatever, it doesn't matter. It was pretty dead when I was there, because everybody was at the lake. Look at that rainbow! There's a lot to draw people into the park. Restaurants, swan boats I totally want to rent but cost like $15 for half an hour. Nightly light shows are nice. And birds. Birds everywhere! The kinds that hiss and leave eggs everywhere but don't poop all over the sidewalks, and that's something. I love a fat bird. Look at that little muffin. Check out these rare cliff pigeons. A small crowd had gathered to take selfies with these cute baby swans, and who can blame them? I mean, I did so. Beauty comes with a price, and to maintain their svelte figures, the swans are on a strict diet. Lake Eola birds even lay claim to an entire island, a mysterious place outside which I found what appeared to be a bird appendage, sans bird. Some sort of message for the other birds? A rival game, perhaps? I was getting tired of the swans with their haughty attitudes and eggs everywhere I almost stepped on when cutting over the grass, when I met these incredible turtles. Suddenly, there were like 12 turtles swimming around, busy looking adorable. They came out of nowhere, but they were obviously not on diets and wanted bread. But I had none, and they soon left me. I picked up this Publix bill, but they didn't buy anything interesting. There is a provision in the Lake Eola Park's benefactor's will that requires the city to keep the place beautiful. Part of the whole beautiful thing is a lot of art everywhere. One of these things is not like the other. Look at this beautiful art. Yeah, that's beautiful. I get it. I see it. And then the real piece of art with this cute dog. It was impossible to get footage of this grass lady without people interrupting to perform photo shoots of themselves. I don't know, about to get eaten by her. There's their vintage 80s restrooms complete with palm trees. They also had this very enticing playground which I was very excited to play in until I got close. You're not allowed in without a kid! Or in heels, apparently. They just had to make the place look so entrancing. But this feat of architecture, whatever that thing is, this contraption, and this amazing spinny thing, what is it? It was around this time I realized I was an adult filming children playing and had to take my leave. found this tree that looks like a spiral. Pretty cool. Then it started to get dark, and it was time for Lake Eola Fountain's light show. Stay beautiful, Lake Eola.